friendly games now, and no one wants to drop points today.
That's nicely played.
It's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant.
He's headed the ball forward.
Icardi now. They've won the ball back again.
Here's Graban. Dangerous tackle there. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Good distribution from the keeper there. Well cut out.
This is Redmond.
And he's won it back for his team.
Icardi now. Oh, it's a clear chance.
Oh, this could be costly.
The players are tussling for position. What corner will we see here? Corner taken on.
He clears the ball to safety.
Headed on.
Passed well.
Has a crack. His teammates swarming, and rightly so. Great stuff.
Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again.
Lovely passing here. This is Redmond. Icardi now.
Shoots. Good effort there.
That's an easy call. It's a goal kick. Kicked outfield.
Silva. Well, they've got a chance just to regroup now.
This is Redmond.
A few minutes of stoppage time to play there.
And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. Ah, defending, confident pass.
And it's half-time then. The players and the fans are ready, so this league match continues.
Passed well.
What a well-timed tackle.
The assistant's kept his flag down.
Is this the moment? He got a good hand behind that.
Let's see what comes of this then. The ball is swung into the danger area off his head.
Oh, it's hit the post. Keeper opts to throw this one out.
A quick sub could work wonders for the team.
Players then warming up on the touchline. Good ball. And he's stayed onside.
He loves to go past.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper. And the keeper really glad that wasn't on target. I'm not sure he'd have got to that.
Oh, what a miss, especially for a player with his shooting skills. No cards yet from the referee.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
Striker's ball.
And he's looking, but he does the goalkeeper to beat now.
Back off the post. They get it away from danger. The taker is thinking, what's he got in mind with this corner?
The players are moving forward. He
tries the header.
Indicates a corner kick.
He's trying to pick out the man in the box. That's well out by the defence.
Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. Both teams have had a good amount of possession.
That's nicely played.
And here's a chance. Now Icardi.
Let's see that one again.
Can they make it count? And that one swung into the box, heads towards goal.
Out of the danger zone there.
He's knocked it long.
Tries the header. That's his second goal. Side.
Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game.
红酒啊，来了就啊，
This is Redmond.
Confident pass.
Good interception.
Striker's ball.
A few minutes of stoppage time to play then. Oh, he did really well there.
He could be punished for that mistake.
Here's Redmond.
Finds his teammate. The ball has gone up, and we're going to have 3 minutes of stoppage time.
This player is taking on a very badly timed challenge. Oh, it's a straight red. He's off.
He's so good with his free kicks. This is a real scoring chance.
Incredible goal. And it's in. The wall could only watch.
Let's take a closer look at that goal now.
而且咱们中国这边
It's just one.
That's it. It's official. They'll be ending the season amateur division champions. They've done it. Amateur division champions. Their journey to the top can't be stopped.
So here we are, the final. Which of these teams will walk away with a trophy?
阿莫里两个在对决，
It looks like they're hoping to flood the midfield with this 3-5-2 formation. He's unstoppable with the ball. Oh, well intercepted. Now Wilson.
你不可能
At the striker's feet.
And he hits it.
He clears the ball to safety. Good distribution.
And out for the throw-in. And well out.
Defenders are looking to...
Oh, he must score. Oh, good block there. Now Icardi. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
Let's see that one again.
Now what can he do from here?
The ball is swung into the danger area.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
三八几波，
He steps up to steal the ball. Striker's ball. He dribbles the ball forward. Defender is on the ball.
Is this a goal? Shoots. He got a good hand behind that. Long ball then. He's cut it back inside. Icardi now. Great technique.
He could be punished for that mistake.
That's good link-up play.
Confident pass. Oh, that was nice.
That's a dangerous area to lose the ball.
Striker's ball.
Can he get a shot in? Here's the shot, and this is a world-class finish. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net.
We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today.
So we're back at it's half time and a chance for the managers to do their work. One team takes a narrow 1-0 lead into the second half. Nice work there. He's got the ball at his feet.
Good distribution.
And that's lofted upfield.
He steps up to steal the ball.
Hernandez with the tackle.
It's with the striker now.
Great technique. He's got the ball at his feet. Can he finish it? And now Wilson.
Referee indicates a corner.
3
Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Whipped in.
Distributes the play.
That's great determination. That's good link-up play.
They need to do something soon.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper. Nice finish. He's put them back into it. And his teammates join him to start the celebrations. Great goal there.
The replay will give us a closer look. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
And it's anyone's bet which way this one will go now.
Good distribution. Striker's ball.
Oh, he's onside here. He must score.
Oh, he shoots.
Well taken goal.
That goal, his second of the match.
Oh, we need to see that goal again.
They're kicking off after that goal. Will they change their approach to this match, though?
They're winning. They need to defend well here. Well cut out.
It's a throw-in.
Players then warming up on the touchline, but is it time for a change?
Switches play to the other side.
And the team swap possession again. Good ball.
Striker's ball.
Oh, good clearance. They've won it back.
We're into time added on now.
And the team swap possession again.
And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. Ooh, well intercepted. The result is confirmed. The players embrace their Bronze Cup champions. The Bronze Cup is theirs. They were too good in the final. What an addition to their trophy cabinet.
那边跟老高，我就根本没去。
Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today.
Well timed then. Great defending. And it's eye. Intercepted.
Long ball then. Icardi now. He's found an opening. I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again.
Can they make something of this? Corner played short. The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break.
And it's eye. We did really well there. Just the goalkeeper to beat now. His teammates swarming. And rightly so. Great stuff. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal is going to affect this game.
这是这种。
He must score, surely. Ball's crossed the line. It's out of play.
The replay will give us a closer look.
Played short by the keeper.
And with the defender now.
He did well to win the ball back. Great footwork there, Veloso. He's shown a bit too much to the opposition there. The team swap possession again. Herrera. Oh, and dispossessed there.
The attacker is in possession.
นี่เขาแบบจะ
Ooh, quality defending there.
ไม่สนใจ
Oh, confident defending.
Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. This also an opening here. Easy for the goalkeeper there.
เพื่อจะซื้อโคตรทับทันอีเรื่องนั้นตอนนั้นเนาะไทยมีอะไรช่วยจะต้องหา
It's with the striker. Confident pass.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper. Corner kick now.
A chance to have a better look here. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today.
Headed clear.
Icardi now. A few minutes of stoppage time to play then. The attacker is in possession.
He must score. Here's the shot. Indicates a corner kick. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Now, what can he do from here?
Oh, defending.
Half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work. The players are ready. Let's get going with the second half.
Defender in possession. It's with the striker.
Great dribbling.